Ashok Leyland leverages digital twins to revolutionize its business model. By creating virtual replicas of physical assets, the company enhances operational efficiency, reduces downtime, and improves product development. This digital innovation allows for real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance, ensuring Ashok Leyland remains at the forefront of the commercial vehicle industry.
Ashok Leyland, a flagship of the Hinduja Group, is a global leader in commercial vehicle manufacturing. Headquartered in Chennai, India, and founded in 1948, it ranks as the second largest in India and fourth in bus manufacturing worldwide. With over 12,000 employees, the company is now embracing digital transformation to maintain its competitive edge. Venkatesh Natarajan, President of Information Technology and Chief Digital Officer, has led Ashok Leyland's digital transformation for over a decade. At the 2022 Future of Factories Summit, he unveiled the digital twin strategy. His leadership has shifted the company from a product-centric to a service-oriented approach through digital innovation. Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical systems, updating in real time with operational data. They enable continuous monitoring of vehicle health metrics, allowing for early problem detection. By analyzing patterns, digital twins provide predictive intelligence, recommending maintenance before breakdowns occur, enhancing efficiency and reliability. Digital twins revolutionize vehicle health monitoring by continuously tracking components via Internet of Things sensors. Artificial intelligence algorithms predict failures, allowing proactive maintenance. Fleet optimization enhances route planning, fuel efficiency, and driver behavior. Data-driven services create new revenue streams through subscription-based insights and optimization, transforming operational strategies. Remote monitoring ensured fleet management continuity during COVID-19, reducing disruptions. Service cycles were shortened by 30%, cutting maintenance costs through predictive interventions. Data-driven strategies decreased total ownership costs by 15%, enhancing cost competitiveness. Connected experiences boosted customer satisfaction, improving renewal rates by 22%. Venkatesh Natarajan challenged his team. Can connected vehicle services boost share of wallet? Transitioning to a service-led, digital-first model could enhance lifetime value per vehicle. Traditional manufacturers must explore monetizing digital capabilities beyond initial sales to remain competitive and maximize revenue streams. The shift from a product-centric model to a platform-based model involves leveraging digital twins to create service platforms. This transition enables recurring revenue through data services. Additionally, establishing a partnership ecosystem with third-party developers fosters a marketplace of services centered around vehicle data, enhancing value beyond initial sales. Ashok Leyland is transforming revenue streams by increasing digital services from 8% to 25% in 5 years. This shift involves enhancing vehicle sales, parts, and service offerings, while expanding digital services and fleet management. Financing options are also being optimized, marking a significant change in value creation for commercial vehicle manufacturers. Digital twin architecture integrates Internet of Things sensors for real-time vehicle data collection. A secure cloud platform processes this data using advanced analytics. The analytics engine employs artificial intelligence to identify patterns, predict maintenance, and optimize performance. User interfaces, including dashboards and mobile applications, provide actionable insights to fleet managers, enhancing operational efficiency. Ashok Leyland's digital transformation involved a cultural shift from traditional product engineering to data science. This transition emphasized ongoing customer relationships and software experience over hardware quality. The focus moved from reactive service to predictive maintenance, necessitating hiring digital talent and retraining engineers to build new capabilities. Digital twins will facilitate the transition from driver assistance to full autonomy. Electrification focuses on battery health monitoring and range prediction based on load and route. Shared mobility platforms enhance vehicle utilization through pay-per-use models, benefiting small businesses. These innovations are pivotal for future growth in the industry. Business model innovation shows how traditional industries can evolve through digital transformation, turning product companies into service providers. Technology reshapes value chains, creating new customer touchpoints. Digital initiatives must align with customer value, solving real problems and requiring a deep understanding of customer operations. Ashok Leyland must strategically price digital services to balance value and competitiveness. Key metrics for digital transformation success include customer engagement and operational efficiency. Data ownership and privacy require robust policies. An agile organizational structure supports innovation. To defend against tech competitors, Ashok Leyland should leverage unique industry insights and continuously innovate. Ashok Leyland's digital service pricing should reflect value creation and competitive positioning. Metrics like customer engagement, operational efficiency, and revenue growth are crucial for measuring digital transformation success. Data ownership and privacy require robust policies to ensure compliance and trust. An agile organizational structure supports innovation, while strategic partnerships and continuous innovation can fend off tech competitors.